Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing delicious biscuit cake recipe which is easy to prepare. In a bowl, add 100 grams of unsalted butter, beat it. Add 1 and 1/3 cup of sieved icing sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat till light and creamy. Add 1 tablespoon of milk and mix. Add 6 tablespoons of sieved cocoa powder. Mix. Beat it. The chocolate buttercream icing is ready. Apply it on a cake board. In a bowl, add half tablespoon of coffee powder, 1 1/2 cup of warm water. Mix it. Dip biscuits one by one in the coffee mixture and place on the cake board on top of the icing. I am using 12 biscuits for each layer. You can use any biscuits of your choice. Apply the chocolate buttercream icing. Follow the same steps for the rest of the layers. I used total 72 biscuits for 6 layers. Cover the whole cake with chocolate buttercream icing. Refrigerate the cake for 1 hour. Cut slices and enjoy the delicious biscuit cake. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.